Hello children, welcome back to computer class. Today we are going to see the remaining concepts of chapter number 5, that is formatting data in MS Excel worksheet. Okay, the worksheet that looks attractive builds an impact on people, whoever reads it, whoever reviews it. Okay, if it is attractive, then it attracts the attention of the people. Okay, now MS Excel, inside this MS Excel, the process of determining how data should be made attractive and presentable is called formatting. This thing we have seen in last class, and also we have seen how to format the font, how to reduce the size, how to change the style of the font, how to increase the size. That all things we have seen inside the formatting font in last class. And then next we have seen formatting numbers, date and time. Okay, you can add the decimal points inside the number. Fine. As per your requirements, you can change the date and time inside the worksheet. Okay, formatting numbers, date and time. Then next we have seen setting alignment. Suppose you want your text inside the cell to be left aligned, or to be right aligned, or to be at the center. That changes you can do inside using this setting alignment process. Okay, the term alignment refers to the location of the data within the boundary of the cell. By default, MS Excel applies the appropriate horizontal alignment to each of the data types. Each of the data types as in number, date, or any text or any formula. Okay, by default, MS Excel applies the appropriate horizontal alignment to each of the data types. Okay, to set the alignment of the text, you have to follow certain steps, and that certain steps we have seen inside in the last class. Okay, now coming back to the point, today we are going to see the two remaining concepts of this chapter, that is changing cell patterns and color and border formatting. Okay, then our chapter will be done. So let us start quickly. Now first we will see how to change cell patterns and color. We can also change the pattern and background color of selected cells of the worksheet. Okay, within the worksheet, suppose if we want a particular set of cells to have different pattern or different background color, so we can do that changes inside the worksheet in MS Excel. Fine. Now watch the following video to know these steps and follow these steps as shown in the video to make the required changes. Okay, changes as in to change the cell patterns and color. Fine. So moving on. Now, next concept is border formatting. Border formatting means changing the style and color of the border of a range of cells. Okay, suppose there is certain range of cells. For that you have to change their borders. Fine, so you can do that using the border formatting steps. Okay, now to choose and apply the color on your text, you have to follow these steps that will be shown in the following video. Fine. Changing cell patterns and color. Suppose this is the worksheet that you have made in the MS Excel. Okay, and you want to change the pattern of certain cells, as in here I am choosing for example these two columns, first name and second name. Okay, suppose for example I choose these two columns and I want to change the cell patterns and color of this selected cell. Your first step is to select that range of cells. After selecting the range of cells, in home tab there is one section of cells. Okay, there is one section of cells, and inside that cells section you will find one option of format. Fine. So click on that drop down arrow which is present below this format option. After clicking on that, the drop down list appears on the screen, and after that from this list you have to select this format cells option. Okay, format cells, click on format cells option and one dialog box will appear on screen, that is format cells. Format cells dialog box will appear on screen. As soon as this dialog box appears, you have to click on this fill tab. By default you are in number tab, okay, but you have to click on fill tab. Fine, just click on fill tab and from this fill tab you can select whichever color you want to apply that to that certain selected range of cells. Okay, suppose I am choosing this red color. Okay, after choosing that red color you can select the pattern color. Pattern color also you can choose any of that. I am letting it be automatic. Okay, pattern style you can choose from this selected. If you want none, then you can choose the solid style, and if you want any of the other style, then you can choose it from this options which is available in the pattern style. Okay, after selecting your required changes, click on OK option. Okay, click on OK option and you can see that your selected range of cells has changed to the changes that you have selected. Okay, now for example, now border formatting. Now border formatting means changing the style and color of the border of a certain range of cells. Next thing that we are going to see is border formatting. Suppose for example, I am choosing this certain range of cells as you can see on the screen. Again, our next step is, after selecting the range of cells, our next step is go to home tab and inside the home tab go to cell section. Inside the cell section select the format option. Okay, click on the drop down arrow which is present downside of format option and a drop down list appears on the screen, and from that list select this format cells option which is present at the end. Okay, click on format cells and the format cells dialog box appears on the screen, and from this tabs at the top you have to click on border tab. Okay, you have to click on border tab, and from this style you can select whichever style you want. Suppose I am selecting this solid little bit bold border. Okay, color you can choose, let the color of that border be black only. Automatic means by default it is black. Fine, so you can select the presets, none or outline or inside. Okay, I am choosing it outline. Fine, you want your border to be in outline of that cells. Okay, or you can choose inside as per the requirements you want. Fine, after selecting your required changes, click on OK option. After clicking on OK option, you can see that our selected range of cells has appeared with our required selected border which we have selected. That border has been applied to the selected range of cells. So in this way you can do the border formatting, you can change the cell patterns and color. Fine, it is very easy. Okay, I am attaching one worksheet with this video. You need to solve that worksheet and send it on my email. Okay, thank you.